What's up guys? Today I have an Iherb haul to share with you. They recently had 30% off kbeauty and I've always wanted to try a lot of products from kbeauty. I have tried some of course in the past, but not as much as I would like to. In today's video I'm going to share with you everything I got. I got some products from Cosrx, Claire's, Missha, Benton, so quite exciting products in here. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. Here's the box and here's everything that I got. You can see I do have a lot of products in here. The first product I want to share with you is by the brand Cosrx. This is the Advanced Snail Eye Cream, Peptide Eye Cream. We are getting 25 ml and this retails for $22, which is not bad for an eye cream considering that we are getting 25 ml. That's quite high. I want to look at the bottle. This is what the bottle looks like. Very nice. It honestly doesn't look like an eye cream, and this is definitely a lot for an eye cream. Usually they come in like 15 ml. Another product by Cosrx as well, and it is from the same line, the Snail line. It is the Advanced Snail All-in-One Cream. I always wanted to try this. I don't know why I never picked it up before. This has amazing reviews. Actually, this whole line from Cosrx seems to be very popular. There's also like an essence that has like a watery side and a moisturizing side. It's like a dual essence that I want to get, but it was sold out on Iherb. Maybe I will get it from YesStyle because that's the only place I can see that stocks it, that ships all the way to Dubai. This is what it looks like. This looks like it's a lot of product. How much is this? 100 grams. Again, this is double the size you would typically get from a moisturizer. And I've seen videos on this product. It's very stringy. Let's see. Oh, yes. You can see it is like super stringy, but I heard it's suitable for the summer. It's not like too thick or too heavy or it leaves a film on the skin. I heard it absorbs super quickly. This product retails for $21 for 100 ml, even cheaper than the eye cream. I think this is a steal. Oh, I forgot to say that this is how much I paid for these products because I noticed that on Iherb, the prices differ depending on like if I change my location, I will get a different price. So just bear that in mind that in your location, the prices might be different on Iherb. The next product is so hyped up on social media. I got sucked in and I bought it. It is the Haruharu Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Cream. Ultra Deep Technology. This is what it looks like. Let's see the bottle. Beautiful bottle, different packaging. I don't like the scent of this at all. Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of the scent. I don't know how I feel about this. I believe this comes also in an unscented version. Don't love the scent for now, but we'll definitely update you guys. Let me tell you how much this costs. For 50 ml, this costs $21.5. Not a bad price, not super affordable either. It's okay. I'm just really not liking the scent of this. It smells botanical, but also like a botanical perfume. Not like in a natural way. I'm not sure how to explain it. I just don't love the scent, but we'll definitely update you guys. This next product was heavily discounted on Iherb, but I have heard great things about it. It is the Benton Deep Green Tea Lotion. This is what it looks like. We are getting 120 ml and I paid $13. Wow, that sounds like it's a lot. A lot of product for only $13. It's 120 ml. A typical face lotion would be 50 ml. This is more than double and only $13. This is so affordable. I hope this really lives up to the hype. Let me show you what the bottle looks like. This is what it looks like. The green tea line from Benton is very popular. I haven't tried anything from it myself, and it is sealed, which I do appreciate. I cannot believe that this is only $13. That's so affordable. I also cannot wait to try this. This is one product I was really looking forward to try. Also along another one that I'm going to share with you now. I personally love green tea, and the fact that this is a green tea lotion, I am really excited. The next product is the Time Revolution The Treatment Essence by Missha. Now, this is supposed to be the closest dupe to the SK2 essence which I have tried in the past and I loved. It's just so pricey. It is like really, really pricey. Like for the full size, I think it's like $200 something. That's very pricey, but I have personally tried it and I actually wanted to repurchase it recently, but it was out of stock here in Dubai. I couldn't find it anywhere. And the only place that ships here, I think, is Yes Style, but they take forever to ship. So I decided to try this with a 30% off. That was a good deal. This comes in 150 ml and it retails for $28, more or less. Okay, this looks so luxurious. I don't know if it's translating on camera, but it feels so luxurious and it looks so luxurious. I think that this is like the older version. They have a newer version. The one that I have here with me is the RX. I think the newer version is called something else. But I heard that the newer version isn't as good as this one. So I'm glad I got the old one. And it is also sealed. I just love essences in general, but it's very hard to find one that does something other than just hydrate. And this is supposed to do a little bit more than just hydrate. I am so excited I got my hands on this. And this is one of those products that's always out of stock on Yes Style. So I'm glad I was able to find it in stock with a 30%. Next up, I purchased two products from the brand iUNIK. I've never tried anything from this brand. I got the Daily Moisture Cream and the Black Snail Restore Cream. Sorry, this is the Beta-Glucan Daily Moisture Cream. Both of these are fragrance-free, which I do appreciate, and we are getting 60 ml in each. Also, both of them retail for the same price, $12. That is so affordable. This has snail secretion, 58%, which is very moisturizing. And it's also got Centella asiatica leaf water at 9.9%. And the Beta-Glucan has beta-glucans in it, and it is super moisturizing, just as beta-glucans are. It looks just like any regular lotion. This feels so moisturizing, but also lightweight at the same time. This feels quite nice. I want to try the other one, the one with the snail secretion. I want to see if it has that stringy texture as well. Both of these are sealed, by the way. I'm just going to open the seal. I can almost tell that this is stringy. Yeah, you guys can see how stringy this is. This feels a little bit more moisturizing and it has like a better slip to it. Definitely this is more moisturizing than this one. This has dried down completely, but it left my skin super soft. I cannot wait to try these on my skin. I am excited to dive into like Snail products, even though it doesn't sound the best, to be honest. It sounds a little bit off-putting, but I heard great things about it in skincare. Of course, how can I make an order for kbeauty without purchasing or trying a new cleansing balm? I picked up the famous, I think this is like one of the original ones, the Heimish All Clean Balm. I used this in the past, it's not new to me, but I don't remember how I felt about it. Like, I really have no idea. I'm pretty sure it was good, but I really don't remember. So I picked it up to try it out. How beautiful is the packaging? It's so beautiful. Also, this was affordable. I paid for this for 120 ml. I paid $12. Again, super affordable. This is what it looks like. And this feels luxurious. It opens up like this, where you have the spatula and you can close it down and you twist it open. And this is what it looks like, just like any other balm. I'm not sure if this is scented. I can smell something fresh, like minty fresh, a little bit, like very faint, but nothing like too strong. I'm really excited about this. I wasn't expecting this packaging considering the price, but the packaging is really, really beautiful. Final product in this haul is also a Snail product, but it's by the brand Benton. It's the Snail Bee High Content Lotion. This lotion is also 120 ml, which is a lot, and it retails for $16. It has a different packaging from the other one. This is what it looks like. I like that it comes with this. This has hyaluronic acid, snail secretion, and bee venom. I'm pretty sure this is gonna have that stringy texture as well, but this is a lotion, so hopefully it is a little bit more lightweight. I cannot wait to try all of these products and share with you my thoughts. I think the one that I'm gonna use almost right away is going to be the green tea lotion. I really like green tea in skincare. I have seen really a lot of difference using it, and the Missha Time Revolution Essence. I cannot wait to try these two, but also of course I'll try the reds as well and share with you my thoughts in future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will leave a link to everything I shared with you in my description box, and subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you join my family here, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye guys.